Are you looking for top-notch roofing services in Arlington, Massachusetts? Look no further than FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted local experts. Your home's roof is an important part that protects you from the weather and keeps your home's structure in good shape. We ensure your roof remains in optimal condition. Our team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional roofing services. We specialize in roof replacement, repair, and maintenance to meet all your needs. We offer comprehensive roofing services in Arlington, tailored to your specific requirements. From minor repairs to complete roof replacements, we've got you covered. Our experienced team works efficiently to minimize disruption to your daily life. We prioritize safety and cleanliness on every job site. We believe in transparent communication. We keep you informed throughout the entire process, from initial consultation to project completion. Protect your investment with a durable and aesthetically pleasing roof. Don't let a damaged roof compromise your home's integrity. Call us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule your roofing service. Visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement-Arlington for more information. Discover why we are the preferred roofing company in Arlington. FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your trusted partner for quality roofing solutions.